Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another video from Logan the Tech Guy YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a groundbreaking innovation from researchers from Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute that could change the way we think about energy generation. Just imagine a world where our roads, buildings and even our bodies could generate electricity just by moving. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's becoming a reality with a new polymer film that harnesses the power of movement to produce electric current. Researchers have developed a unique polymer film that generates electricity when pressed, squeezed or stressed. That film could be integrated into our highways to generate power as cars drive over them, or embedded in the buildings to harness energy from vibrations. But that's not all. This film can even capture energy from our everyday movement, like clapping, walking, dancing, or even tapping. Now, let's break down the science behind this fascinating technology. The key here is something called the piezoelectric effect. In simple terms, it's the ability of certain material to generate electricity when mechanical stress is applied. You might be familiar with it through things like microphones or even record players, where vibrations create electrical signals. Traditionally, piezoelectric materials were limited to hard structures like crystal, but this new polymer film is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. It's made from a combination of barium zirconium sulfide particles and a polymer called polycarbonate, making it a non-toxic alternative to the lead-based material typically used in piezoelectric applications. The potential of this polymer film is immense, and scientists are already exploring a wide range of applications. In laboratory tests, the film has successfully powered small electronic devices like LEDs and sensors, demonstrating its practical viability. Imagine this: a smartphone that charges itself simply from being in your pocket, or a smartwatch powered by your own heartbeat. The film could even be integrated into clothing to harness energy from our movement, powering wearable health monitors or fitness trackers. The possibilities are truly endless, and as researchers progress, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. The implication of this technology extends far beyond personal devices. It represents a significant leap in our quest for sustainable energy solutions. It has the potential to revolutionize how we generate and consume energy on a global scale, from large-scale renewable energy projects to innovative methods of energy generation. The possibilities are endless. Imagine buildings covered in this film, swaying gently in the wind and generating clean electricity. These structures would not only be self-sufficient but also contribute to the overall energy grid. Roads embedded with this material could capture the vibrations from passing vehicles, powering streetlights and traffic signals. This would transform our infrastructure into a dynamic energy generating network. The film could even be used in remote areas or disaster zones to provide a reliable and sustainable source of power. This would be a game changer for communities that lack access to traditional energy sources. This also means by harnessing energy from our surroundings, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and create a greener and more sustainable future for generations to come. This technology is not just a step forward, it's a giant leap towards a cleaner, more resilient world. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the future of energy generation that's not only innovative but also eco-friendly. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Logan Tech Guy YouTube channel for more exciting tech news and insights. Leave a comment below on how you think this technology could change our everyday lives. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. All love and peace out.